Welcome back everyone. Today we're comparing two prominent crypto trading bots, Bullx and Photon Bot. So both Bullx and Photon Bot offer unique functionalities tailored for crypto traders. Let's dive into what sets them apart. Bullx operates across multiple blockchains, including Solana, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain, making it a versatile choice for traders engaging with various ecosystems. Photon Bot focuses primarily on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, ideal for traders concentrating on these popular platforms. Key features for Bullx would be its advanced tools. Bullx offers features like pump vision, identifying tokens with strong upward trends, and tabs such as top gainers and top losers for quick market insights. Bullx imposes a low transaction fee of 0.09%, optimizing profits for high-value traders. Photon Bot provides a straightforward interface, making it accessible for beginners entering the crypto trading space. In terms of transaction fees, Photon Bot charges a transaction fee of 1%, which may impact profitability for frequent traders. In summary, Bullx offers a comprehensive suite of advanced tools, lowering lower transaction fees and multi-chain support, catering to traders seeking versatility and in-depth market analysis. Photon Bot, with its user-friendly design, is well suited for beginners, focusing on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Your choice depends on your specific trading preferences and the ecosystems you engage with. Thanks for watching, and if you found this comparison helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.